Imagine a titan of the sea, launched nearly a century ago. In its prime, it was a floating palace of jazz and gold. But for decades, this 99-year-old cruise ship has sat silent, surrendered to the salt air and the creeping rust. Most see a graveyard of steel. We saw a canvas. Welcome. Today, we aren't just renovating a vessel, we are reimagining the very concept of a home. We're taking this abandoned relic and transforming it into a luxury ocean mansion, a sanctuary where the grit of industrial history meets the fluid beauty of modern resin art. Before we step inside the transformation, take a look at the before. The corridors are choked with debris, the grand ballroom is a shadow of its former self, and the exterior is a mosaic of weathered iron. But the bones are magnificent. Let's begin the journey from decay to decadence. We start at the heart of the ship, the grand entrance. In a traditional mansion, you expect marble. But here, we wanted the floor to feel like an extension of the Atlantic itself. Watch as the rusted steel plating is replaced by multi-layered epoxy resin. We've used a deep-sea palette, navy pigments swirled with metallic silver and translucent turquoise. The result is a high-gloss surface that looks like a frozen tide. When the light hits these floors, it creates a caustic reflection on the ceiling, mimicking the way sunlight dances on the ocean floor. The walls have been stripped back to reveal the original porthole frames, now polished to a chrome finish. It's a dialogue between the old world and the new. Moving toward the bow, we reach the panoramic lounge. In its past life, this was an observation deck. Now, it's the ultimate living space. The design philosophy here is fluidity. Notice the curved furniture, no sharp angles to break the flow. We've installed floor-to-ceiling reinforced glass, replacing the old narrow windows. The seating is upholstered in ocean blue velvet, accented by coral-inspired sculptures that serve as organic partitions. Look at the ceiling detail. We've integrated layered LED strips that can transition from a warm sunrise glow to a cool moonlight blue. It's not just a room, it's a lens through which to view the horizon. A mansion is defined by its kitchen. We call this the culinary theater. We've combined warm walnut wood with cold white marble to ground the space. The center island is a masterpiece, a single slab of white stone with a river of translucent blue resin running through the center. Every appliance is concealed behind custom cabinetry to keep the lines clean. This isn't just a place to cook, it's a place to gather. The dining area features a table suspended by aircraft-grade cables, giving the illusion that your dinner is floating above the shimmering epoxy waves below. Let's head to the upper decks, to the master bedroom suite. This is the ship's crown jewel. We wanted this space to feel like a cocoon. The bed sits on a raised platform, wrapped in a sculptural headboard that mimics the curve of a breaking wave. Adjacent to the suite is the spa-style bathroom. Here, the resin work reaches its peak. We've created a walking-on-water effect for the shower floor, using textured epoxy that provides grip while maintaining a crystal-clear aesthetic. The tub is carved from a single block of basalt, positioned perfectly to watch the sunset over the wake of the ship. Even a floating mansion needs space for play. On the lower decks, we've converted the old engine-adjacent rooms into a sleek fitness center and a refined game lounge. The gym uses sustainable cork flooring, paired with mirrored walls to double the sense of space. Meanwhile, the game lounge leans into a speakeasy vibe, darker wood tones, leather seating, and a custom-built pool table with a sea blue felt top. It's the perfect blend of nautical heritage and modern luxury.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. And if this transformation inspires you, don't forget to like,
subscribe, and tell us in the comments, which room would you live in? Watch till the end. Until next time, keep dreaming in color.